Okay, this is City of Belvedere. It's a job number 8135. Work on Beach Road on the seawall. I'm on Main Street looking towards Beach Road, which is at the stop sign to the right or to the left. The work will be between Main Street, which I'm standing on, and Cove Road, again on the sea wall, so on the ocean side. So this is from Main Street heading towards beach. I'm on Main Street and heading towards beach. This is the wall, sidewalk and wall area. And to the left in the screen is the work areas between that dock where the building is, the flap gate, and up towards the bench area where the steel back is of the bench. Main Street and Beach Road. This will be the crosswalk. Will be a temporary crosswalk. Once the sidewalk is closed, the pedestrians will cross here, go across the street, cross the crosswalk, and get to the other side where the brick-faced building is. The white building with the brick bottom. This is the bench that's on the edge of the seawall. And below there's some patchwork by the little posts. A couple small cracks in the wall at the top. A crack in the sidewalk. So I'm going to go closer over here to the wall itself, and then I'll come back and get the sidewalk. I'm going to shoot over the wall. This is the area that will be repaired. So there are existing cracks in the wall, so they will be in these areas right here. Cracks are pretty consistent in the wall. Some of the paint or coating off the steel rails rusted through. A little patchwork in the wall right there. Again, the cracks running fairly consistent. is the start of the separation between the back of the sidewalk and the wall itself. Just smile. Again, they're pretty consistent. Like I say, they all will look similar from this sidewalk to the address here is number 16 Beach Road. This should be the end of the road work, or the wall reconstruction, I should say. There's the wall. There's a crack right in the middle of the concrete at the entrance to this. So we're coming up to Cove Road. This is beyond the work area. This will be the other end of the pedestrian detour. This is 22. This existing wall. I'm going to go back up the same side of the road, again past the work area. This will be the crosswalk for the pedestrians when the sidewalk is closed for the work. Heading from Cove Road back towards Main Street on Beach Road. So this is the sidewalk that's in front of the wall, not knowing if it's getting replaced or not, but some of it may, but then existing cracks are in the sidewalk. I would believe some of this will get replaced with the work. This is an existing DI. The concrete's broken at the gutter pan. The DI. It goes to a flapper gate. Flapper gate's right out there on the back of the wall. Continuing on Beach Road, I'm heading back towards Main Street on the side of the work area. This is Main Street where I started the video. Again, the crosswalk, this sidewalk behind me will be closed for the work on the wall. So we'll go for some street conditions. The existing crosswalk has thermoplastic with a lot of cracks in it, both sides of it. There's a damp area out in the street. There's a few cracks in the existing surface of the asphalt. Cracks along the lip of gutter where the asphalt meets the concrete edge. There's an area of some cracks, some going across the street, some are right along the edge. Valve cover. USA markings for the work zone, but I believe even the area behind me on this side of the street will be closed off during the construction work on the wall. Again, you have a lot of cracks. You can see some of the areas that have moisture in them. Looks like the road has slurry, but the cracks are still showing through. So we're coming up to Cove Road. I'll cross at the crosswalk. It's going to be where the temporary crosswalk will be when the sidewalk closed behind me. People will cross here. This is Cove Road and Beach Road. This is looking down Cove Road. This is 7 Cove Road going back. I'm going to turn and go back up to Beach Road. Cove Road getting towards the beach. There's a hole in the sidewalk. Stop sign at Cove and Beach. The curb is broken in a couple places and not in line with, it's out of alignment on the radius here, right at the intersection, Cove Road and Beach. Same thing coming up here where the puddle is. The curb has been patched. And there's a crack behind it. 25 Beach Road Apartments. This is in front of 25 Beach Road. This is across from the work area. The little area where this wood that's attached to the front of the concrete has a gap and it doesn't match up real well. Meter boxes areas are broken. Some of the box lids are have spaces in them and they're cracked and or broken. This is the intersection of Beach and Main Street. Crosswalk again that will be used for the pedestrians when the sidewalk is closed on the other side of the street. This is Beach Road looking down towards Tiburon Boulevard. So I'm leaving from Main Street and heading down Beach towards Tiburon Boulevard. This is heading on Beach Road from the project to Tiburon Boulevard. DI by the entrance to the shopping center to the left. Tiburon Boulevard and Beach Road intersection. The electric box lid is broken, copper box is broken. This is at the intersection of Beach Road, Tiburon Boulevard. This is looking down Tiburon Boulevard. Notice the new sidewalk, the curb over there has been patched and there's some pieces broken in the curb alignment. Okay, again, Beach Road, Tiburon Boulevard. Crosswalk at Tiburon Boulevard on Beach Road. Looks like it's concrete. See the rebar showing in the crosswalk and the thermoplastic broken. There's some trench work there.